Hello, this is Eviscerator Jr. and today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to make a parrot cage on Minecraft. What you're going to need for this tutorial is 5 bone meal, any kind of fence gate, a sign, 30 of any kind of carpet you like, 12 string, 64 glass pane because I break it a lot, and 64 of any stone slab you wish. Also, 12 dirt, 64 blocks of your choice, and 3 parrot spawn eggs or so. So, let's get started. First, we're going to be making a 5x6 thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like so. I choose stone slabs for this, but really you could choose any block for the outline right here. Never did it. Also, now you may place your grass blocks. Add bone meal. And the fence gate goes right about here. Now you can start adding in the glass pane. And now you add in the string right on the second layer of this. Right above all the grass and stuff. And flowers. And now you place in all of your carpets. I mean, it could be slabs if you really want it to be, but I choose carpets. Oh yeah, place one right here. There. And this is optional, really. Right next to this, you can put parrots. My thing will never move. And now you can add in your parrots and enjoy your little parrot inside your little thing. Push. In zoos, in your garden, or any way you want. You can customize this to any variation, and that's how you make a parrot cage on Minecraft.